Welcome back, guys. Welcome to another daily market recap. Today, it is a nothing day. Basically, a no trade day. I took 3 trades and I'm down $2.14. Yeah, the state of the market right now is very, very, very slow. So it's kind of, let me mute my computers really quick. Yeah, it's just been nothing's really happening. We're not really getting good moves. As I say that, so we are getting good moves at like random points. It seems like a lot of stuff is happening after 9 a.m. or after the open, or maybe even after hours we're getting some good moves, but pre-market right now has been quite slow. So if we look at my P&L today, down $2.14. I was down 20 bucks, and then I recovered my way to $2. So yeah, I took 4 trades today, but yeah, all in the same stock, Nerve. So I'm annoyed. So I think with Day Trade Dash and maybe this whole AWS outage thing, I don't know if they're still having issues. So this stock hit the scanner, it starts popping up wherever it was around here. I'm like, all right, 473. It's got a lowerish float. I'm like, all right, something that's kind of in the price range that I want to trade. Pull it up, and all I see is, go full screen here. So all I see is this. Maybe, yeah, I didn't even have that candle. I think it was sitting at like 288, and then it started populating. But I'm looking at the level 2 and I see it's 450, 550. I'm like, God dang it! I want to at least see the chart to see if I can get somewhere to enter. I'm guessing if we look at the 10-second chart, which also wasn't populating at that same time, everything was being quite slow. Like one of these pullbacks would have been perfect. Like the break here through 5 would have been perfect. Even probably the same thing through 550. So I'm slightly annoyed with that. And I took a trade here. I bought at 650 and then got flushed out here. I lost like 20 something cents, which was my 20 bucks. And then I made it back I got a trade at $7 for a squeeze to 708. That was a break through this double top here. But it peaked up to 715, and then I think I saw like a 15 or 20,000 share, I forget what the number was, seller. So I bailed out, got 8 cents, and then I got another trade. Or that was at the end. That was my last trade, sorry. Where was my other trade? I got a trade at 605 up to 620, so 15 cents there at 805. So I was looking for a dip after all of these red candles. As soon as this candle started to go green a little bit, I bought and got up to 615 and then took my profit. And I think there was another one. Yeah, I got 620 to 648, which was right here. I got in again trying to just see if we can break through this little pivot point right here. So I bought there for 620 and I got out at 648, and I scaled out of that. And then yeah, that got me pretty much back to like $6, and then I got an 8-cent winner on the last trade. So yeah, down $2 on the day. It's crazy because I took this trade 30 minutes ago, not even. And like the trades just disappear out of my brain. It's harder than I would imagine to just remember what you did 30 minutes ago. But yeah, that is trading. So let me know how you guys did in the comments, and we'll be back tomorrow. Peace.